Hey guys, welcome back. This is Dr. Melissa J. Williams, living your best life, doing what you love. You know, my brand is all about living your best life, doing what you love. And I love multiple streams of income. What we're going to be talking about today, all right, is knowing who you are. And the reason we're talking about you need to know who you are because it's very important if you go into business for yourself. I thought about this topic, and for most people that are in business, it's very, very critical for you to know who you are. So if you know who you are, all right, you're in a better position to make critical decisions in your business. When you're self-employed, and that's what this channel is all about, right? It's doing what you love and having those multiple streams of income. So when you're self-employed, there's a lot of decisions that you have to make, all right? And you have to know who you are, all right, in order to make those decisions. So I'm going to give you some examples. All right, so just say you're in business and you're trying to determine if you want to partner with another individual. All right, so that's very important. If you know who you are, you can determine if that's going to be a good fit for you. All right, so I'm going to tell you this. I've actually had partners in my businesses before, and for me, it didn't work out. All right, it didn't work out. And I don't know if it didn't work out because I am a alpha female, laugh out loud. And my partners thought they were alpha males, all right, laugh out loud. But it totally did not work out, all right, because truly I'm an alpha female. I kind of dominated, if you will, those individuals or those business partners. And so for me, that didn't work out. Okay, because I kind of know what I want to do and I go for it. Most of the time when I'm listening to someone, if their ideas doesn't make any sense, you know, we're not doing that. Okay, or if their ideas doesn't make any sense, you know, we're having to wrestle back and forth on the decisions. And that's really, really crazy, especially when you're in business and you're trying to go to the next level. Okay, so the importance of knowing who you are. This topic really for me, it came about years and years ago. I was actually working on my master's degree at the University of Oklahoma. One of the classes that I took, it wanted us to kind of look at who we were. Of course, you know, we all can kind of relate to ourselves as, you know, I'm a mother, I'm a sister, I'm a brother, I'm a colleague. Okay, but when you really think about who you are, you get down and you understand, you know, am I an introvert? Am I an extrovert? You know, what is my favorite color? What's my favorite food? You know, what things people can do to push my buttons? You know, what makes me happy? What makes me sad? Do I like the winter? Do I like the summer? Do I like the fall? You kind of understand these intricate parts about yourself that make you who you are. And so it's very important to take some time, right, to find out who you are. So, and it's really crucial to know who you are when you're thinking about going into business, all right? And even if you're not thinking about going into business for yourself, you want to take some time and to figure out who you are. And you want to make sure, like I said, you align yourself with people that have the same values and principles that you have. Okay, because imagine if you know, are a person that's honest, all right, and you like to talk things out, and you have a business partner that maybe has a problem with communicating, then you're certainly going to have problems. All right, and for me, like, I am more of a person that's behind the scenes. I'm the person that's behind the scenes that like to come up with processes and systems. Okay, but the marketing and the everyday, day-to-day, that's not what I'm best at. But it's very important for you to recognize these things, what you're good at, what you're not good at, all right? And you concentrate and you do in your business or even in your daily life. You do the things that you're good at and you delegate the rest of that stuff, all right? Because then you'll be more effective. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Again, this is Dr. Melissa J. Williams. Live your best life doing what you love, all right? Until next time, take care and stay happy.